Okay. And if you're in my class, Alt Y. Okay. So let's start with Abdulaziz.
Position, adjectives, and adverbs correctly.
You know the meaning of position?
Yes, the locate.
Yeah, but it's sometimes a verb when you position something. Okay. All right. For example, all right. What did I just do? I positioned
The cup.
the empty cup. I positioned the empty cup next to the full cup. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. I positioned the empty cup next to the full cup. Okay. So you see, position is a noun sometimes. Here, it's a verb. Okay. All right. So can you read this here? Abdulaziz.
In English, it is correct to place a solo adjective in front of the noun it describes.
Now, I put a note here, okay, to explain the meaning of solo. Can you read that note, Mohana?
Yeah. Solo adjective, individual adjective, one word adjective.
This all means the same thing, okay? It means the same thing. Solo adjective, individual adjective.
Individual adjective.
There's an echo. Solo adjective, individual adjective, one word adjective, or a single adjective, okay? Same meaning. What does your book say? In your book, what does it say in your book? If you have the red book.
One word.
One word. One word adjective, individual, solo, same meaning, okay? Now, continue here. Mohana, solo adjective.
Solo adjective doesn't equal team adjective.
Now, when you're in my class, you know the difference. You know the difference between a solo adjective, right? You know the difference between a solo adjective and a team adjective. Okay, so I'll just open up this PowerPoint very quickly and demonstrate it to the group. Okay, what do you see here, gentlemen?
Remember that.
What do you see, guys?
Adverb.
It's an adverb, a single individual adverb, right? Okay, and then here is a team. It's called an adverb clause, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Another formula. This is another formula for adverb clauses, right? Okay. Then what do we have over here? What is this lesson?
No.
Individual
It's
noun.
an individual noun, right? One word. Okay. What do we have over here? A team noun. A team noun. That means a noun clause. You understand? Okay. Same thing here, right? Individual noun. That's an individual noun. What do you have over here?
Team noun.
Team noun. This is a team noun. Okay. Now let's look at adjectives. What do you see?
Single adjective. Large.
What is large? It's a single adjective, individual adjective. One word. It's just one word. You understand? One word. Single adjective. Now, what about the team?
More than one word.
Look at the position, by the way. Where do I put the single adjective?
Before the noun.
That's right. It's before the noun, right? What about the team?
After.
Okay.
Follows it down.
This is an adjective clause. It's an adjective clause. I want a pizza that we can share. It's a team adjective. You understand the meaning of team, right?
Yeah.
A team is a group that works together. That's a team. A team is a group. The members work together. The parts work together. Okay? So now let's go back to the TOEFL book. Okay? So it says, if it's a solo adjective, individual, where does it go?
After.
Where does it
before
go?
the noun. Before the noun.
Before the noun, right? Before the noun. All right. So Mustafa, I want you to read this example here. My example.
A big black metal thermos standing on the table is empty.
Good. One moment.
جيب المطارة. Yeah.
Okay. What do you see, guys?
What's up?
Thermos.
These are called thermoses. It's called a thermos.
Yeah.
How do you use a thermos?
Put liquid
Put it
inside.
coffee in it.
Yeah,
Put the liquid.
you put your coffee in it, right? Now,
Yes.
now, is it small?
No.
Is it small?
Big. No.
Big?
Tube.
Is it white?
No.
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 Black.
No. So it's big. It's black. Is it glass?
No.
No. It's aluminium.
Metal.
Metal.
Big black metal thermos. What about this one?
Same.
Same.
Same thing, right? It's the same thing. Now, which one is empty?
We don't know.
don't know.
Look at the
Standing on the
sentence.
table.
Read the
Oh, okay.
sentence.
Okay.
The one standing on the table.
Yeah.
So which one is it?
The
This
one on
one.
the table. Yeah.
This one is empty, right? If I open it, I'll show you. It is nothing inside. It's empty, right? Now, we have in this sentence here, in this sentence, how many adjectives do we have?
Or
We have one.
5.
Four.
Well, how
Four.
many single adjectives do you see? How many single
Three.
adjectives?
Four single adjectives.
We have three
four.
or four single, right?
four.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have here 1, 2, 3. No. And then here we have another one, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now this skill tells you that you should put the single adjective in front of the noun, before the noun, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
So what's the difference? What is the difference between a single adjective, solo, and a team?
Contain one part and it come front of the noun.
What about a team?
Have a different part and come after the noun.
Not different. Many.
Many parts
yeah,
in a
many.
team, right? Yeah. Now, what happens if let's delete a few words here. Okay, so we'll take black color. Okay, so no, I know what I want to do. Okay, so take a look at this. If I delete, let's say, part of this team, yeah, if I take away some part of the team, right? If I remove this part of the team, is the sentence correct? If I remove part of the team,
Just the table.
yeah, if I remove part of this team, for example, just the table, just
maybe
this part, if I remove this part, is this sentence okay? Is it correct?
No.
I don't think
No.
so. Maybe you
Without
should take a
both.
standing and put it in front of the noun.
If it's a single adjective, it goes before the noun. But if it's a team, then it comes after the noun. You understand,
Yeah.
gentlemen?
Yes.
Now let's take a look at the words over here on the right. Are these a team?
No.
If I take out this, is the sentence okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. What if I take out these two parts?
Yes.
It's okay also.
It's still okay. Why?
Because they are single adjectives.
They're single. What does that mean? Each adjective here, each
Which is
adjective
single.
alone, each adjective describes the noun alone. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. But what about over here? Let's remove a couple. Let's remove this part. Now, is that okay now?
No. Without on. No.
Huh? Is this adjective? Is this a complete adjective?
No.
Is this team? Is the team complete?
No.
No.
No, the team is not complete. Do you understand, gentlemen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the idea here, if it's a solo adjective, then it comes before the noun, right? Solo, individual. But if it's a team, then it follows directly. It follows directly the noun. Okay. Now here's the one special case in this situation. Why do we put this solo adjective here at the end? Anybody? Does anyone know?
After linking word.
There.
Linked
Yes.
verb.
That's right.
Link verb. Okay. So
LV means linking verb, right? And this is a skill that you should know. In fact, I think it's the skill before this skill, right? If you look at skill 47, what do you see?
Linked with adjectives after linking verb.
There you go. So where do you put the adjective if you have a linking verb? You should remember these linking verbs, by the way. You should know these linking verbs, okay? They are limited. They are not many, but they are limited, okay? Just learn this group of linking verbs. Now, do you see this linking verb? Where is this? Wait, linking verb? How is this a linking verb?
yeah, it's B.
The B family.
Okay, yes, it is B, right? The base form, B, right? So Here you go. Linking verb. And after the linking verb, you put a solo adjective. Do you understand? So this is the rule. This is the rule for adjectives. Okay. All right. So, Ayed, can you read this example?
The information important is on the first page.
Yeah. Can you see the problem?
Yes,
What is it?
the adjective.
Okay. So what should I do?
We should replace it. It should be the important.
Is this a team adjective or solo?
No, individual.
Yeah. So I can't put it here. Where should it be?
At the beginning.
That's right. So I need to put it over here in this position, right? So this is the correct position in front of the noun. All right. It's a solo adjective. It comes before the noun. Good. Let's see. Saleh, I want you to read an adverb.
When a verb has an object, an adverb describing the verb shouldn't come between the verb and its object.
Yeah, should not come between the verb and its object. Okay. All right. So it should not come between them. So let's see here. Abdul Majid, I want you to read the example, please. He
has taken recently an English course.
Okay. He has taken recently an English course. Do you see a problem?
Yes, we should replace the adverb with an adjective.
We should replace
the adverb with an adjective. Recent.
Nope, that's not the problem. Now, this is an adverb. Where the skill is about the position of an adjective or the position of an adverb. So we don't want to change the part of speech. We want to use the correct position. We want to use the correct position. Can I put recently here? Read this again, Abdul Majid. When a verb, read that.
When a verb has an object, an adverb describing the verb shouldn't come between the verb and its object.
So this is your verb, all right? And this is your object. The position here is wrong. Do not put an adverb here. If it's between the verb and the object, it's wrong. What do we have over here? What is this?
A verb.
That's a verb. What do we have over here?
Object.
This is an object. Okay. What do we have in the middle?
Adverb.
You see the problem?
Yes.
It's between the verb and the object. This sentence is wrong. So how do we fix this problem, gentlemen?
I think you should take recently in the end of the sentence. He has taken
There
an
are
English
actually, there are three positions that are possible. You
You
can put it
can
here at the
course. In
end.
the beginning,
You can put it at the beginning.
before the verb.
Before the main verb. You understand?
Yeah.
Before the main verb. So you have these three positions, right? All of these are possible positions. At the beginning, after the auxiliary, or at the end. These are the three possible positions, okay? All right, Suhaid, can you read this? There are many.
There are many possible correction for this sentence.
Read the first
Recently,
one.
he has taken an English course.
Good. Abdurrahman Khalid, second one.
an English course.
Again, please.
He has recently taken an English course.
Good. And Basil.
He has taken an English course recently.
Okay. So which position is the best one? Generally.
The second one.
Yeah. Why? Well, because sometimes this is wrong. Occasionally, okay? In some cases. And in some cases, this is wrong, okay? All right? But this one is almost, I would say, 90% correct. 90%. Do you understand, gentlemen?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's take a look at the chart over here. Hands up, guys, quickly. Hussein, can you read?
Yes. Circle the adjective and adverbs and name them.
Well, first of all, the chart. Look
Oh,
at the chart.
okay. I'm sorry.
Go.
Okay. The position of an adjective and adverbs.
Let's start with adjectives.
Adjectives. A solo adjective comes before the noun. It describes. It doesn't come directly.
After.
Often. After.
Or
It follows a linking verb. Skill 47.
that's skill 47, right? Okay. And then also read this one, adverbs.
Adverbs. An adverb can appear in many positions. It cannot be used between a verb and its object.
Okay. So let's see here. Saleh, let's do number one. Explain it. Why is this incorrect?
Because the single adjective comes after the noun.
Yeah. Where should it be?
Before.
We need to move it before, right? So what should it say here?
Fantastic sale.
Should be a fantastic sale. Do you understand? All right. Try the next one, Abdul Majid. Number two. Can you explain it? What do we have here?
An adverb
Yeah. And where is it?
between the verb and the main verb.
Between the auxiliary
Auxiliary and main.
and the main verb. Is this okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Absolutely. In fact, it's the best position. That's the best position right here. Okay. All right. And then what about this adverb?
Also, it's okay.
Why?
Because if we put the adverb in the beginning or after the auxiliary verb or at the
That's
end.
right. Or at the end.
Okay.
There you go. Gentlemen, start. Do it now.
See you, Mr. Rich.
Bye, Hussein.
3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. Forty-five seconds. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. Time is up.
Okay, gentlemen, let's do this. Mustafa, what do you think about number 3?
Number 3, it is correct.
Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Where is the adjective? Where's the adjective?
Biological
Okay. Only?
and opposing.
That's right. We have 2 adjectives, right? Okay.
Yes.
Political. What does it describe, by the way?
The first one describe a candidate. I think.
Candidates. And the second
And
one?
the second one via voice.
Their views. Yeah. And what is the position? Position directly before the noun, right?
Yeah.
Ayed, how about number 4? What do you think about number 4, Ayed?
I think it's incorrect.
Incorrect? All right. Where are the adjectives?
Carefully.
Okay. It's an adverb, actually, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then what else do we have? Oh, we also have another thing here. What do you call this? Adjective, right?
Adjective, yes.
We have an adjective here. Okay. So what does the adjective describe?
Describe the case.
Okay. What about carefully?
Carefully describe the has selected, but the position is wrong.
Exactly. It's the wrong position. So where should it go?
After has carefully selected.
Yeah, the best position is here, right? After the first auxiliary. Excellent. Saleh, your turn. Number 5.
Mr. H, I have to go.
Okay, goodbye, Ayad. You said it's
Okay, thank you.
correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right, where are the adjectives?
Frequently in the beginning.
Well, there's an adverb, right? This is an adverb.
Yeah.
Any more?
No.
What about this word, bitter? Bitter at the end. Okay. So what does frequently describe?
The
verb.
Has tested, but yes.
Okay. What about bitter?
The coffee.
Yeah. It describes the coffee. Okay. Has tasted bitter. Now, why can I put this one at the end? Why is that okay to put it here at the end?
Linking verb.
Correct. Taste is a linking verb, right? Yeah. Okay. Frequently, the coffee has tasted bitter. Yep. This sentence is correct. Good job. Suhaib, how about number 6?
I think incorrect.
You think so? Why? Where should I put the adjective? Where are the adjectives?
Expensive.
Adjectives? Is that the only one? Expensive? This is the only adjective?
I think so.
This is an adjective also.
Okay.
It describes the reception, right?
Yeah, the first one it's correct. But another one it's not correct.
So writing reception is okay.
Yeah,
Okay. What does it describe? Expensive describes
the restaurant.
the restaurant. The position is
Before
not good.
restaurants.
The wrong position. So it should go in front of the restaurant. Yeah. Can you read it correctly?
Okay. The wedding reception was held expensive at restaurants.
No.
Was held
At?
expensive.
Oh,
Inexpensive
you
restaurants.
have to make this an.
And yeah.
Change it to an expensive restaurant. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Basel, how about number 7?
I think it's correct because often is adverb and it's describe travel.
Describes what?
Travel, it's a verb.
That's right. Yeah. So the sentence is correct. Okay. All right. Mustafa, next one.
I think it is incorrect.
Okay, where do I put the circles?
Subsequently.
Okay, subsequently.
Yes.
And then? What does subsequently describe, by the way?
Describe alert, lettered.
The adverb, right? Altered.
Yes.
Has altered describes the verb. What anything else? Any more circles?
First set.
Okay. Yeah. First or set? Which one?
First.
Correct. First. Okay. So what does it describe?
Describe the
Describes?
set.
Yeah. Describes the set.
But
Okay.
it is correct.
Yes, it's correct. So any others? Any other? But the exercise, you have to circle all of them, correct or incorrect. You just circle all of them, right? Are there any other circles? No?
I don't
So
see.
you said there's a problem, right?
Yes.
Where?
The subsequently should be after has.
Exactly. The position, you want to use the position here. This is the position. Good. So this sentence, you're right. It is an incorrect sentence. Okay. Saleh, how about number 9?
I think it's correct.
You think it's correct? Circle? Where do I put the circles?
Daily.
Daily?
Yes.
Okay. Is that all? Only one?
Yes.
Wrong.
Intensive.
Intensive is an adjective. IVE. Any more?
Many.
Good. Now you see we have 3, right? Here we have 3 adjectives: many, daily, and intensive. Now, what do they describe? Let's start with many.
Hours.
Okay, it describes hours, right? Okay. What about daily?
The verb had to study.
Okay. So let me change the size of this a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Describes had to study, right? The verb. Okay. What about intensive? What does it describe? Intensive.
Program.
Describes
So
the
it should be
program. Huh?
intensive program.
So what's the problem, guys?
Single
Need to
adjective.
change it.
That's right. Where should it be?
Before the program. Before program.
Exactly, for the program. So did you say this was correct or incorrect?
I said correct.
You lost marks on TOEFL, Saleh. Okay. All right, Suhaib. Last one.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it's correct.
You say it's correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do I put the circles?
I think foreign.
Foreign, yeah. Foreign, that means from another country. Foreign. Another country, another place. Foreign. Okay. And help him, guys.
Naval.
Naval.
Naval. Naval. There you go. So what do they describe? Naval?
Naval officer.
The officer, right? Officer. What about foreign?
Country.
Country. There you go, gentlemen. Khalas. The end. All right, gentlemen. That's all today. Skill 48. Bye, gentlemen.
Bye. Thank you, Mr. Rich.
You're welcome.